In the continuing second round elimination of the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2 at Paco Arena in Manila last Sunday, May 19, in the first game, the Senate Lady Defenders quickly took a 5-point lead with attacks from Javen Sabas and Menchi Tubiera against the Lady Firefighters in the first set. However, the Lady Firefighters retaliated with powerful quick attacks from AJ Mamangun and cross-court strikes from Fanny Adolfo, narrowly winning the first set 30-28. In the second set, the momentum stayed with the Senate Lady Defenders thanks to consecutive attacks from Maricela Cecilio and Javen Sabas, leading them to a 25-21 victory. In the third set, the Lady Firefighters dominated with strong floor defense led by Fanny Adolfo, Gang Beliana, AJ Mamangun, and Angeli Bentic, winning the set 25-15. In the fourth set, the Lady Defenders couldn't keep up with the relentless attacks from Abellana, Mamangun, and Adolfo, resulting in a 25-18 win for the Lady Firefighters. The Lady Firefighters tallied 65 attacks, 6 blocks, and 7 service aces, with Fanny Adolfo named the best player of the game for her 19 solid attack points. They remain in third place with 8 wins and 3 losses.
Sa una pala medyo na parang nangangaba yung team. Nasabi ko nga kanina nung timeout ko, parang yung laro nila hindi laro ng magkakakilala. Samantalang mag-aapat na buwan kaming magan. Siguro talagang hindi everyday happy. Pero nakaka-proud pa rin kasi kahit alam nila medyo down sa una, talagang nagtulong-tulong pa rin talaga sila. So ayun, nakaka-proud.
Sayang yung first set eh. Maganda yung laro eh. Nagkatalo lang sa konting-konting error. Ngayon, nung second set naman, yun, nakalaro na ng maayos. And nung third set, kailangan namin ipasok yung mga stringers eh. Kasi kailangan eh. Although maganda naman yung laro.
In the second game, the AFP Lady Gunners swept the Comelec Suffragettes in 3 consecutive sets. In the first set, the Lady Gunner, led by Iari Yonko and May Madulid, started strong, but the Suffragettes, with efforts from Danica Gendrauli and Judith Abil, kept the score close. The Lady Gunners won 25-20. In the second and third sets, the Lady Gunner, with contributions from Lilet Mabayad and Cheryl Jack and Mary Ann Pantino, dominated. Mabayad's blocking and Jack's service aces secured the sets with scores of 25-15 and 25-18. The Lady Gunner recorded 40 attacks, 6 blocks, and 4 service aces, with Yen Oleres named the best player of the game. They are second in the standings with 8 wins and 2 losses. The Comelec Suffragettes, with 27 attacks, 1 block, and 3 service aces, are in the fourth place with 5 wins and 5 losses.
Medyo slow starter lang sila. So pagka ganon, nire-remind para ma-overcome nila yung kanilang, yung nawawala sa kanila. For example, yung receive, ganyan. Nasunod naman. Kaya napanalo namin yung game yun.
Maganda naman pinakita ng mga players namin. Yung service receive, nandun naman po, wala naman nagkulang. Yun lang, medyo mas nagkaroon ng composure yung kalaban, mas tinatagan nila yung depensa nila. Bawas na konting error lang din, yun yung nilamang kalaban sa akin.
In the third game, the Judiciary Justice servers showed resilience in the first set, enhancing their floor defense and attacks with cross-court strikes from Marily Boras and Lerma Tubog, and quick attacks from Laarni Pesebre, winning the set 25-23. In the second set, the Lady Patrollers with Kia Gomez, Miraflor Ronquillo, and Ces Oliveros responded strongly, winning 25-13. In the third and fourth sets, the Justice servers attempted a comeback, but the Lady Patrollers' continuous attacks secured the final two sets with scores of 25-19 and 25-22. The Lady Patrollers tallied 44 attack points, 3 blocks, and 16 service aces, with Miraflor Ronquillo named Best Player of the Game for her 11 attacks, 1 block, and 4 aces. They lead the rankings with 8 wins and 2 losses. The Judiciary Justice servers with 34 attacks and 6 aces are in 7th place with 3 wins and 7 losses.
Moving up kami kasi galing kami sa talo no, nakarang previous game namin, tinalo kami ng Bureau of Fire. I-duplicate kami para makabawi kami sa kanila.
Yung teamwork nila, no? Although mayroong konting lapses pa rin doon sa receiving, medyo mabigat yung service, medyo naiiwan yung ano. Pero kasi nandun na yung pagod may pagod na rin. So yun yung mga factor. Pero overall, kung titignan mo yung movements ng team, yung depensa, kanina mahaba yung rally, napakaganda, no? So doon mo makikita yung nagmamature.
Stay tuned for more exciting matches in the League of Public Servants, Win in Sports, Win for Charity at Paco Arena, Manila this coming Wednesday, May 22, 2024. The AFP Lady Gunner will face the DFA Emissaries at 12 noon, followed by the Comelec Suffragettes versus Judiciary Justice Servers at 2 p.m. The PNP Lady Patrollers will take on the SSS Pension Protectors at 4 p.m. Watch live on UNTV News and Rescue social media accounts and UNTV Sports. JP Nunez, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.